If you've come across Picadex.com and you're wondering whether it's legit or just another scam, here's a quick review to help you decide. At first glance, Picadex.com has a clean and modern design, but looks alone aren't enough when it comes to trusting a website. Before spending any money or sharing personal information, it's important to check factors like the site's transparency, customer reviews, contact information, and overall reputation. One thing to keep in mind is that newer or lesser-known websites don't always have a long track record, which can make it harder to judge their reliability. That's why it's always a good idea to research the company, read independent customer feedback, and look for secure payment options before making a purchase. If a website promises deals that seem too good to be true, or lacks clear information about its business, that's definitely a reason to be cautious. On the other hand, if you find consistent positive reviews and responsive customer support, those are encouraging signs. Overall, I recommend doing your own research before using Picadex.com. Take a few extra minutes to verify the website so you can shop with confidence and avoid unnecessary risks. If you've already used Picadex.com, feel free to share your experience in the comments below.